Well, today snow was met with the sound of scraping metal against the pavement as snow plows made their winter debut for the first big snowfall. Foster Seasonal Services in Brookfield told our affiliate in Milwaukee that they were itching to get out there and ready to work to clean up the messy, wet, snowy streets.
We'll take it. I mean, my guys have been itching at the bits to get out here, and we're ready to work.
Ready to work. Crews in Milwaukee were out early this morning and are planning to stay out until about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow morning.